So here's how to install Twitter Pixel onto your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. After that, here you have to go to the apps section from the left panel. Now in the search bar, simply you have to type in Twitter Pixel. Here, as you can see, it redirects me to my Shopify app store. Now I'm gonna click on this Twitter app. After that, at this page, I'm gonna click on the install app option to install the app onto my store. Before installation of this app, you have to upgrade your Shopify app account. After upgradation of your Shopify store, you will be successfully able to add it onto your store. So that's how to add Twitter Pixel onto your Shopify store.